Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. First of all, in the search box type a CMD and open it, and type up javac and press enter. Now you can see that javac is not recognized as an external or external command. So how to fix it? Let's see. Type exit and exit the command prompt. First of all, going to your any search engine and type jdk download. After I click on Java SE8, scroll down and download Windows 64. Click on it. Click on download. Log in your username and password. If you are not have a, then create account. So I have already account. Now click on sign in. Now you can see that downloading started. Click on save button. Now downloading will be started and it's required of a few minutes. Click on next button to install it. Click on OK button. Click to close it. Open a file explorer. Go to your C drive. Go to your program files. Open a Java. Click on a bin folder. Copy the res. After doing the set, go to your search and type open a advanced system settings. Click on a environment variables. Click on a path and click on edit. Click on new. Paste it. Click on OK button. Click on OK and OK. After that, go to open a CMD, open a command prompt and type a javac space /version and press enter. Now you can see that. Type exit. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.